Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help For You. So in today's video we're working on a 2019 plate Ford Transit. Sorry. So what we're doing is we're just changing the air filter, and it's a very straightforward, easy and simple procedure. So all you want to do is, so the engine bay does look like this, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead to the air filter, and you've got the two tabs here. So you just pull on these two tabs and that's it released. So it's literally lift it up, and it is sat in two clips at the back over there. Just pull it forward and it's up like that. You don't need a whole lot of resistance, and you can change your air filter from here. So you would just pull it up and change it. We don't actually have our other one yet. I just thought I'd make a quick video now, and then when it arrives I can just quickly get this one out and get the next one in. So when you're putting it back together, if I lift it out, you can see the two tabs on the bottom here. They go into them two grooves there. So if I can just see if I can try and get it in the camera, it's going to be about here. You can only just see it there. So all you want to do is just make sure it goes into there. So as you can see, you can't really see, but it is gone into the clips that are here. I'll zoom back out, and then all you want to do is make sure it's sat nicely, it's not lifted from either side, and these just push on. So these just push on like that, and that would be your air filter done. There's no screws needed or anything, so it is literally a very easy and straightforward job if you want to change that. Anyway guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.